Yes, here's a little behind the scenes of the day at the Snösätra Graffiti Park. We're hit by rain, so stuck in the car now. Hope it clears up. Welcome to the Snösätra Graffiti Wall of Fame, Europe's largest legal collection of graffiti artwork, and it spans over 4,500 square meters. In an old industrial area close to Rågsved, this graffiti park is situated. It was in 2014 that this area became a center for graffiti. In the early 2020s, it was decided by the state that the south part of the graffiti park would cease to exist and be part of a nature preserve. There's a great variety of different styles here. No graffiti is similar to the other. Since this place is about 15 to 20 minutes by foot from the nearest public communication, I suggest you go here by car. I'll bet the question that's on your mind as well as mine: is this place haunted? No. There are no evidence, no rumors, nothing. So, come here, enjoy the artwork, but you will not see any ghosts. Thanks for watching. Bye.